Step 1. You can try this shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus up arrow together. This shortcut used to work with Intel graphics cards and might still work for you. If it doesn't, move on to the next step. Step 2. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Settings. Display. I will provide command in the video description, which will open the display settings. Use the arrow keys to navigate down to the option. Press Tab to move through the selections until you reach Display Orientation. Press Enter. Use the arrow keys to change it to Landscape, and then press Enter again. Then choose Keep Changes. This should fix the issue. I hope this video was helpful and solved your problem. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.